What happens if AI surpasses human intelligence? SenseTime's latest AI is already outperforming its predecessors, and Google DeepMind's JEST AI is learning at a pace never seen before. The stakes are bigger than ever in this race. Prepare yourself for a future that will challenge all of our preconceived notions. The JEST approach significantly lowers energy usage, resolving the mounting worries regarding AI training's environmental impact. In contrast to traditional methods, JEST chooses whole data batches for training, enhancing performance and optimizing the learning process. JEST ensures efficiency without compromising quality by using a well-selected beginning dataset to inform training on bigger, more complex datasets. With AI workloads using more and more energy, JEST may be able to lessen these demands, save expenses, and improve AI development's sustainability. JEST, Joint Example Selection and Trust, is a groundbreaking AI training technique that was unveiled by Google's AI research unit, DeepMind. This novel strategy aims to alleviate the financial and environmental issues related to AI development by greatly increasing training efficiency and consuming fewer resources. The challenges of traditional AI training. Training with extensive resources. AI models like GPT-3 require a lot of processing power and time to train. The procedure is costly and time-consuming, since it uses large datasets and iterative learning. Environmental impact. Training large AI models requires a significant amount of energy, similar to that of mining Bitcoin. The substantial carbon footprint linked to such energy demands has sparked worries about the effects on the environment. How JEST works. Batch data selection. Individual data points are the subject of traditional AI training techniques. Nevertheless, JEST maximizes learning by choosing sets or batches of data that complement one another effectively. Multimodal contrastive learning. JEST uses a multimodal contrastive learning strategy, looking at many data kinds, including text and images, simultaneously. By finding dependencies across different data kinds, this technique speeds up learning. Pre-trained reference model. To steer the AI towards high-quality data, JEST begins with a pre-trained reference model. The AI is trained more effectively because of this pre-selection, which makes sure the AI concentrates on the most pertinent and helpful data. Efficiency gains. JEST uses up to 10 times less computing resources and up to 13 times fewer repetitions to attain the same performance levels as older approaches, according to DeepMind. Reduced resource consumption and quicker training times are the results of this efficiency. To guide the training on larger, noisier datasets, JEST starts with a tiny, carefully selected dataset. This guarantees the effectiveness of the training procedure without sacrificing the caliber of the data. Data quality bootstrapping. High-quality, initial data. JEST starts with a little, meticulously chosen dataset that serves as a roadmap for training on bigger, messier datasets. This guarantees the effectiveness of the training procedure without sacrificing the caliber of the data. Versatility. JEST has proven successful in a range of benchmarks, demonstrating its wide application in diverse AI training contexts. Industry implications. Power demands. AI workloads are using a lot of power, and future forecasts point to even higher power requirements. Techniques such as JEST may be able to reduce these power needs. Impact on the environment and economy. By lowering power consumption, JEST can lessen the environmental effects of AI training while simultaneously lowering expenses and increasing the accessibility and sustainability of AI development. Challenges and limitations. Data requirements. Smaller developers without access to abundant resources may encounter difficulties because JEST depends on high-quality initial data. Obtaining these data may provide a substantial challenge for these engineers. Adoption. Although JEST has a lot of potential for large-scale AI projects, its initial data requirements and possible complexity may make it difficult for smaller AI ventures to implement. Competitive landscape. Chinese AI companies. Chinese businesses such as SenseTime and Alibaba made strong promises about the performance of their models and displayed considerable breakthroughs at a recent AI conference. This demonstrates how fiercely competitive the AI market is worldwide. Global competition. Forecasts point to a time when a few number of key firms will control the majority of the large language model, LLM, market. The competitive landscape is becoming more intense as Chinese companies seek to establish themselves among these elite players. More information. According to a recent study from Google DeepMind, JEST can produce remarkable improvements in training speed and power economy. With a great deal less processing power and iterations than state-of-the-art models, JEST can outperform them by concentrating on batch data selection and beginning with a carefully chosen data set. Impact on the environment and power demands. In 2023, AI workloads used about 4.3 gigawatts of electricity, which is almost equal to Cyprus's yearly power usage. Techniques such as JEST are essential for minimizing the environmental impact of AI training, since it is predicted that by 2030, the power requirements of AI will account for 25% of the US electricity grid. Financial considerations. Large AI model training is costly. GPT-4 is said to have cost $100 million. Future models are expected to cost billions of dollars. Therefore, businesses are interested in ways like JEST to reduce costs without sacrificing performance. Adoption and potential futures. It is unclear if significant AI players will use JEST. However, it's a promising advancement in the AI sector because of its potential to lower power drain and increase training efficiency. The goals of the adopting firms will determine whether it is employed to maximize training output or minimize costs. With its innovative approach to solving the pressing issues of efficiency, resource consumption, and environmental impact, DeepMind's JEST method marks a major advancement in AI training. Innovations like JEST will be vital in determining the direction of technology as the AI sector develops and grows. SenseTime's ambitious assertions. A prominent figure in the Chinese AI scene, SenseTime, took the front stage when they unveiled their most recent SenseNova LLMs. Xu Li, their CEO, made some startling statements. According to reports, the new 5.5 model performs 30% better than its predecessor from a few months ago. Benchmarking data from the Open Compass platform purports to show that SenseTime's 5.5 model performed better than OpenAI's most recent offering, GPT-4, in 5 of 8 critical parameters. Building sophisticated logic systems using synthetic data for a range of businesses is the key to success in Chinese artificial intelligence, according to Xu. Industry trends and market reactions. Remarkably, on the same day, SenseTime's stock price in Hong Kong dropped 16%, despite these audacious assertions. The complicated interplay between technical developments and investor mood in the AI business is shown by this surprise market reaction. Alibaba's drive for open source. During the conference, Alibaba's cloud division, which is in charge of the Tongyi Tianwen LLMs, also created a stir. They announced that their AI platform has seen millions of new downloads and an increase in users in recent months. Zhou Jingren, the company's CTO, highlighted their dedication to open-source models and positioned them as formidable rivals to closed-source Western alternatives. Consolidation of AI in the future? The CEO of AI firm Minimax, Yan Junji, made one of the most thought-provoking remarks. In the future, only 5 businesses in the world will be producing these enormous LLMs, according to his prediction. He did not say how many of them could be Chinese enterprises, but it is obvious that Chinese businesses want to be among the select few that control the majority of the AI market worldwide. The multimodal AI demonstration by SenseTime. Additionally, SenseTime demonstrated their multimodal AI model, known as SenseNova 5. During a live demonstration, the model showed off several amazing features. From a video clip, it correctly determined the status of a conference attendee by identifying characteristics like staff credentials and t-shirts. In response to further inquiries concerning the conference, The model might show that it had a thorough comprehension of the context thanks to the video input. This example showed how AI can easily integrate and analyze a wide range of data formats, including text, speech, and images, as well as video. The path ahead: global impact, innovation, and competition. The advancements made by Chinese AI startups as well as Google's DeepMind highlight how quickly the area is developing. As these technologies advance, several important queries surface. Can Chinese models match or perhaps outperform the massive Western AI companies? Will the AI sector see consolidation and the emergence of a few major firms on a global scale? What effects would these developments have on different sectors, such as healthcare, education, finance, and entertainment? What moral and legal ramifications come with increasingly potent AI systems? Chinese and Western businesses are pushing the envelope of what is feasible as the AI competition heats up. More effective training techniques, such as JEST, have the potential to democratize AI development, and the bold assertions made by Chinese companies point to a change in the balance of power in the AI industry globally. There's no denying that the field of artificial intelligence is rapidly developing, and the advancements we're witnessing now are probably just the beginning. These technologies have the power to drastically alter economies, civilizations, and industries as they develop and find use in a variety of contexts. It's critical to maintain a close watch on both technical advancements and the calculated actions of major participants in the global AI arena if you want to stay on top of these advances. AI is writing its future, one that seems nothing short of revolutionary. Are we approaching a technological singularity where AI will surpass human intelligence and radically alter the course of human history if it is learning at an exponential rate? What social ramifications result from this rapid growth in AI, and how will it impact human interaction, education, and the workplace in the future? Is the competition for AI supremacy turning into a risky arms race in which companies and countries vie to build ever more powerful AI systems with possibly unanticipated consequences? How can we guarantee the ethical growth of AI and stop it from being misused as it gets stronger? Kindly like and subscribe to our channel. To be notified whenever we post a new video, don't forget to activate the notification bell. Please join us for the next video. Thanks for viewing.